We've got our 2025 Honda CR-V. We're going to reset the maintenance light today. We're going to be using this left-hand switch pack with the home button, the scroller, which also pushes in for OK. So what you want to do is hit the home button. It'll range through this left-hand gauge cluster here. And you can scroll up or down until you get to maintenance. Click OK to get in. You can see oil life 50%. We're going to push and hold that scroll button. And it's going to ask reset B1. And you can scroll through. There's item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All do items B only. So we're just going to hit B only right now. Click OK. And the reset is completed. That's all there is to it.